space is like a galley. So there's like lounge area, there's an office, there's a bathroom, and there's a whole other room in the back. So it was quite large.
That was the challenge for us. I think we did a really good job of making it special.
Our muse was a modern woman. She's been working from home. And so we wanted to give her this really ethereal, beautiful space in the front that would be her work from home space, but also a little wicked escape to get back to. So we had some surprises in store. We did lots of fun pattern and wall covering. We did pockets of wall covering throughout the whole space because we wanted to showcase that pattern. We carried that through into the bathroom materials too, and the materials in the spaces as well, using some of the Cambria product because it had such great contrast.
Very bold.
And bold style for us to incorporate.
And we used the Cambria in a wide variety of different applications. We used it as a tabletop here. We also used it in the bathroom, and we used it in the back on the countertops in the bar area. So
not just for the bathroom.
That's right. It's not just for the bathroom. We really love the durability of a quartz product. It's also made here in the US, so it's easily accessible. You don't have to wait for long lead times for specific items, which is also fantastic for us. And they have a wide variety of different types of styles and colors that have a lot of veining, a little bit of veining, they have solids. So it's wonderful, and our clients love it.
Super versatile.